Good morning, everyone. My name is Shruti Meshram. During our research, we interacted with several farmers. We know to understand the common challenges faced by the farmer in irrigation. Many of them shared us that managing water into their crop is quite time consuming and often inefficient, especially when farmers have a large area of field or when electricity supply is uncertain. They also told us that they also shared us that they have to walk a long distance just to switch on and off the motor, which take a lot of time and energy. We anticipated that this must be the common problem faced by the farmer in our country. To solve this problem, our team present the LoRa remote control system for irrigation powered by battery. This system uses the LoRa technology, which means long range, to remotely monitor and to control irrigation from long distance. This will help farmer to save a lot of water, to reduce manual labor, and also to increase crop productivity. My friend Tanya will
This system consists of four parts. First, LoRa module. It is a transmitter and here is a receiver. This transmit and receive data over long distance by using very little power. The transmitter is in the field and the receiver is in the control unit. Second, um, Microcontroller. It is a microcontroller ESP8266. It acts as the brain which processes sensor data and sends commands through LoRa. Third, um, control unit. Here are the relays and pumps which control the flow of water according to the commands from the microcontroller. Fourth, sensors. Soil erosion, temperature and humidity sensor can also be installed in the field which will monitor the condition of the field in real time. Now my friend Nupur will explain its working.
Working of the system is very simple. Step first. Sensor collect real-time data about soil moisture and environmental condition. Step 2. The microcontroller receive the data and send it via the LoRa transmitter. Step 3. The LoRa receiver receive the data indicated by the LED light. Step 4. If the soil is dry, the system sends a signal like turning on the red colored LED light. Once soil reaches the desired level of moisture, the system sends a signal like turning on the green colored LED light. The farmers just have on and off the switch. Now my senior Sanskar Bhaiya tells its benefits.
The benefit of the systems are: first, it provides large communication. It can give the large communication with minimal infrastructure. Second, continuous operation. It depends on battery, does not worry about power cut. Third, cost effective. It save labor wages and reduce water wastage. Fourth, controlling and monitoring. Farmers can control irrigation from far away. Fifth, efficient water use. Irrigation occurs when only needed. No worry about power cut. Sixth, scalable and repairable. More sensors or pumps can be added easily. Anshika tell the impact of this LoRa irrigation system.
There are several impacts on Indian farmers. Like most of the farmers use water optimally as they live in water secured area. But with this system, they will get the crops the right amount of water at the right time, which will result in high yielding. It will also reduce the manual work and electricity usage. And it can be affordable by even small farmers and they can use a sensor data driving technology. It will be a eco-friendly farming technique as it reduces the water wastage and energy consumption. The farmers will be empowered by a modern technology and it will help them to increase and achieve the higher capability and sustainability in agriculture. Thank you.